How to crochet an 8 double crochet shell. Yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch or space, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. This completes 1 double crochet. Repeat this process 7 more times into the same stitch. So, now you know how to crochet an 8 double crochet shell.